Good afternoon, my dear students. Next example 2. Already yesterday we done that. There is a 2 by 2 matrix, and this is that 3 by 3 matrix. This is very important, and this question also given this year. 2020 second PUC 5-mark question. The question number is 41. Example 2. Solve the system of linear equations by matrix method. The given equations 2x plus 3y plus 3z equal to 5, x minus 2y plus z equal to minus 4, 3x minus y minus 2z equal to 3. This is the given equations. Solution. The system of equation is written as ax equal to b, ax equal to b, where capital A is equal to, the matrix A is equal to 2, 3, 3, 1 minus 2, 1, 3 minus 1 minus 2. This is that 3 by 3 matrix, 3 rows and 3 columns. The matrix x equal to x, y, z, comma, b equal to 5 minus 4, 3. The matrix A is equal to 2, 3, 3, 1 minus 2, 1, 3 minus 1 minus 2. Here finding det A. Det A equal to here plus minus plus. So therefore det A equal to 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, 4, minus of 1 into minus 1 is plus 1, and minus into 3 into 1 into minus 2, minus of 1 into 3 minus 3, plus 3 into 1 into minus 1, and minus of minus 2 into 3 is plus 6. So 2 into 4 plus 1 is 5, minus 3 into minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5, plus 3 into 5, 3 into 5. Therefore det A equal to 2 into 5, 10, and minus 3 into minus 5 is plus 15, plus 3 into 5 is 15. Det A equal to 10 plus 15 plus 15 is 40. Det A is equal to 40. 40 is not equal to 0. Therefore A is non-singular matrix, so has a unique solution. The matrix A is equal to 2, 3, 3, 1 minus 2, 1, 3 minus 1 minus 2. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. So what you want to find out? Adjacent of A. Adjacent of A. Already I told you this is a shortcut method. I explained you. So what is the here? The second row of the middle element. What is the middle element? Minus 2. Next one, what is the element? 1. Again first one, what is the element here? 1. Again the repeat is the element is minus 2. So next again third row middle element is minus 1. Again minus 2 and 3 and minus 1. Next first row of the middle one is 3. Next element 3. Next element is 2. Next element is 3. Again what you done that first column, again you should repeat here, minus 2, 1, 1, minus 2. Now adjacent of A here, here the cross multiplication of here, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4, minus of minus 1 into 1 is plus 1. Again here the cross multiplication, minus 1 into 3 minus 3, and minus of 3 into minus 3 is plus 6. And again the cross multiplication, 3 into 1 is 3, again minus of minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6. Next second row of the second one, here 1 into 3 is 3, minus of 1 into minus 2 is plus 2. Second row middle one, minus 2 into 2 minus 4, minus of 3 into 3 minus 9. second row third element 1 into 3 is 3 minus of 1 into minus 2. Third row first one 1 into minus 1 minus of 3 into minus 2 is plus 6. Again third row second element 3 into 3 9 minus of 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. And last third row last element 2 into minus 2 minus 4 minus of 1 into 3 minus 3. Therefore adjacent of A is equal to 4 plus 1 5 minus 3 plus 6 is 3 3 plus 6 is 9 3 plus 2 is 5 minus 4 minus 9 is minus 13 3 minus 2 is 1 minus 1 plus 6 is 5 9 plus 2 is 11 minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. This is the adjacent of A. So already we found it that A. Then what you want? A inverse. A inverse equal to 1 by det A into adjacent of A. Therefore A inverse equal to 1 by det A is what here? 40 into what is the adjacent of A? 5 3 9 5 minus 13 1 5 11 minus 7. Therefore the system of linear equation is Ax equal to B. Then x equal to what? A inverse into B. X equal to what? A inverse into B. X equal to A inverse into B. Therefore x equal to what is A inverse? 1 by 40 into 5 3 9 5 minus 13 1 5 11 minus 7. And what is the B here? 5 minus 4 3. Therefore x equal to 1 by 40 into the matrix multiplication. Here the what is the order of matrix? 3 by 3. Here what is the order of matrix? 3 by 1. Then 3 3 get cancelled. You will get 3 by 1 matrix. Matrix multiplication here first row and first column 5 into 5 25 plus 3 into minus 4 is minus 12 plus 9 into 3 27. Again second row first column 5 into 5 25 plus minus 13 into minus 4 plus 52 plus here 1 into 3 is 3. Next third column third row first column 5 into 5 25 plus 11 into minus 4 is minus 44 plus minus 7 into minus 4 here minus 7 into 3 minus 21. Therefore x equal to 1 by 40 25 minus 12 plus 27 you will get 40. Next second one 25 plus 52 plus 3 you will get 80. 25 minus 44 minus 21 is minus 40. Therefore x equal to 40 by 40 is 1. 80 by 40 is 2. Minus 40 by 40 is minus 1. What is the x here? X, y, z is equal to 1, 2, minus 1. Therefore x equal to 1, y equal to 2, z equal to minus 1. This is the system of linear equation. Verification method. This is the correct or right or wrong verification method. So already we know that the given three equation is given. We have to verify any equation. Let I am taking first equation 2x plus 3y plus 3z equal to 5. This is the given first equation. Now we are taking LHS. What is LHS? 2x plus 3y plus 3z. Now what you got the values x, y, z is substitute here. 2 into 1 2 plus 3 into 2 6 plus 3 into minus 1 minus 3. Therefore 2 plus 6 minus 3 is 5. So this is the RHS. Therefore this is the correct. This is a very important 5 marks. Thank you all of you.